Welcome everyone to today's webinar, Digital Transformation in Construction, Unlocking the Power of Aconex. My name is Abhijit. I'm industry specialist at ImageGrafix. It's fantastic to see so many of you joining us today, whether you are a project manager, engineer, or part of project support teams. We appreciate your time and interest. In today's sessions, we will explore how Aconex Oracle trusted project collaboration platforms plays key role in driving digital transformation across the construction and infrastructure project. We walk you through how Aconex modules. By the end of this webinar, you will have a clear understanding of how Aconex can help your organization to boost efficiency, reduce risk, and deliver projects successfully in digital first world. Before we begin, make sure your line is muted. If you have any questions, you can use the question box. We will try to answer it. And at the end of this session, you will get a recorded link of this for this webinar. So this is all about me. I'm myself Abhijit Hande. I'm industry specialist at ImageGrafix software website CEO at Dubai. I'm specialized in Aconex implementation, training, and support services. I'm also familiar with other Oracle products like Primavera Unifier, Oracle Primavera Clouds, and Bluebeam. So I'm passionate about delivering the effective solutions and sharing the best practice with industry's professionals. Also, I'm working with the construction sector as well as energy. If you just scan this QR code to connect with me on LinkedIn. So this is the agenda we are going to follow today. We will start with the introductions. Then we will see how key industry challenges in construction projects. Then we will see how Aconex help you in that overcome this challenge. And we will cover Aconex features, all the base modules, and we will see Aconex mobile applications. And afterwards we will see demonstration in live demonstration in applications, and at last we will cover question and answers. So this is our corporate profiles. We are ImageGrafix Software FZCO. We are founded in 1996. Our head office is in Dubai, and group companies are ImageGrafix Software Solution Private Limited India, ImageGrafix Enterprise Solution Limited Private Limited India, then ImageGrafix International for Information Technology LLC Saudi Arabia. So our office located at UAE, KSA, and all the major metro cities of India. To reach out to us, you can search that our company domain imagegraphics.com. So overview of our ImageGrafix software website CEO. ImageGrafix is a leading value-added solutions and service provider of state-of-the-art, globally proven product design and manufacturing, plant design, AEC, BIM, project portfolio management solutions. We market and support software products, provide training, customization, and implementation service. We have we have a strong client base, including Fortune 500 companies in the aerospace, defense, energy processes, marine, EPC building, and construction industry verticals. We have present in UAE, our offices in Dubai, Abu Dhabi. Then in Saudi Arabia, we have offices in Riyadh, Al Khobar, and if you come to the India, almost all the metro cities of India like Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Kolkata, Pune, Hyderabad. We have offices across all the metro cities of India. So we will start with our next agenda topic, that is key industry challenges in construction projects. So inefficient document controller and reworks. Firstly, managing large project documents is a major headache for construction projects, which often leads to reworks. When project documents are separated across emails, shared drives, and local folders, it's hard to know which version is the latest. For example, a team might use outdated drawing and build something wrong, causing costly reworks and delays of the projects. This not only wastes the time and money, but also affects trust and teamwork. Next is poor communication, loss or misunderstood. When teams don't share updates properly, mistakes happens and work might need to be redone, which wastes time and money. For example, if contractor doesn't get the latest drawing revision, they could build something the wrong way, leading to costly reworks and delays of the project. So poor communication also means teamwork is in silos and small issue can quickly grow into big problems. Next is delay approvals. So delay approvals can delay projects, manual steps, and waiting for emails, calls, holds up, and slow down the entire project progress. With the Aconex, we automate workflows and approvals routing, which speed up the review and keeps the projects moving forward. Another challenge is the lack of clear accountability. When there is no proper record, it's hard to resolve the dispute. So Aconex automatically keeps audit trail of every actions, which build transparency and accountability across the project. So on a big projects, handling massive amount of data can become challenging. So Aconex organized documents, correspondence, RFIs, and models in one structure system, so it's easy to find, manage, and share information efficiently. Limited real-time access. Site teams often face this problem if they don't have up-to-date drawings or documents. With the Aconex, they can access latest project information anytime, anywhere, even if they are on site. They can access latest document by using Aconex mobile application. Then keeping track of progress is vital but not always easy. So Aconex provides a dashboard and reporting tools that gives real-time visibility into workflows, approvals, and outstanding tasks, helping us to stay on the top of project structure. The project involves many stakeholders, that is contractor, consultants, consultants, cost consultants, with the different roles and responsibility for each party, which makes them difficult to manage. So Aconex makes this manageable by using role-based access and secure sharing. So each team member sees exactly what they need to see, no more or no less. When it comes to quality control, traditional pen and paper-based inspection are slow and error-prone. The Aconex helps you to perform inspection, issue management digitally with the event log So you can get a report of all the inspection and all issues. So now we will see how Aconex helps you to solve these problems with a single system, that is Aconex. With Aconex, everyone involved in the projects works on the same system, which means all teams stay connected and collaboration happens smoothly. By bringing all project teams and organization together on a single platform with a shared data repository, Aconex helps you to reduce risk and ensure transparency. Having all project information in one place also generates valuable insights, allowing you to optimize process and make more informed decisions on current and future projects. Next is Aconex is a single system for the entire project lifecycle. Aconex is a project management solution that manages all project stakeholder, all project data, and end-to-end processes. Aconex eliminates barrier of collaborations and connect teams across the entire construction life cycle through single platform. So Aconex is a complete project delivery solution. Aconex is for all stakeholders. Aconex is for all roles. Aconex is for all organizations. So Aconex also can manage all project data, all end-to-end processes. Aconex is having highly configurable process management tools. Aconex is equipped with dedicated modules for specific process flows, and it creates complete unalterable project records, that is single source of truth. So one connected platform for all your information. When the project team use many separate system, when the project team use many separate systems, it creates confusion. Teams works in isolation, process don't connected properly, and data can be repeated or out of the date. This means people often make decisions using different or incorrect information they have. As a result, important process can fail or face problems. To keep these things moving, teams then spend extra time on manual work, which only increase the chance of mistake and oversights. All of this adds up errors, delays, and unplanned cost for the projects. We know that data information are truly lifeblood of any project. That's where Iconics makes a real difference. So Iconics connects all your project data in one common data environment, that is single source of truth for entire project management life cycles. With Iconics, you have a single document register which act as a complete reliable source for truth for all the project details. Each project organization fully owns and control its own data. They decide who to share it with and when to share with. So no one can take away their access. Once something is in, so next is, once something is in Iconics, it cannot be deleted, it cannot be changed, ensuring a true audit trails. So Aconex comes with industry-leading security by default. It's provided by Oracle, so no need to worry about your data security and all. As we discuss, Aconex keep a detailed event log that records every activity on a project. This means all documents, messages, and decisions are saved in one place, and it cannot be changed or deleted later because everything is tracked and permanent. It helps everyone to stay accountable, reduce disagreements, and make it easy to solve problems if you have any legal issue in suppose in future. As we discussed, Aconex comes with a dedicated modules for different project processes. These modules helps you to manage, document, and work together. So let's quickly look at all modules available for project collaboration and document management. So Aconex is having these modules available in inside Aconex, that is documents, mail, tenders, workflow. Another one is supplier documents. Next is insights that will be used for reports. Next is field. It can be used for inspection. Then model coordination and cost modules. These are some models available in Aconex. So this is the home page of Aconex. Once you log into the Aconex, homepage will appear like this, where you will be able to see all the project progress, all the details and all. So one by one, we will cover all the core modules of Aconex. That first we will go through the Aconex document modules, which is the heart of the systems. So document register is a list of all the documents on a project. Typically, these are drawings, procedures, specification forms. The document register contains all documents your organization has received or uploaded on these projects. So with the Iconics, you will be able to upload, review, share the documents and drawings between the project stakeholders. Aconex control version, so everyone has the latest file and latest version of that documents, and it sets the permission to protect the sensitive informations. So during the live application demonstration, we will show you how to upload drawings, apply metadata, and issue uh, in the application. Next is Aconex mail module. So Aconex mail is more than a email. It's structured communication tool to manage project correspondence, RFIs, instruction, MOMs, change orders, and approvals. In Aconex Mail, you will be able to send and receive all the project emails. You will be able to track status and history of the past communication easily. So during the live demonstration, we will take you through how to create an email, how to search for the email. Next is Aconex workflow model. So Aconex workflow is a structured automated process within the Aconex platform that allow project teams to review, approve, and track documents or drawings. So it's control consistent manners. So workflow make it easy to set up, track, and complete documents review on your projects. So Aconex workflow is designed to make your review process easier to manage, whether you are a creator or a reviewer of that workflow. So during the live demonstration, I will show you how to create a workflow, how to review the documents, how to do the markups, and all. Next is Aconex Insights models. Aconex provides inbuilt and custom reports. You can use that reports for monitoring the document status, track the overdue workflows, find any slowdowns or any problems. So basically, Aconex comes with some standard reports and standard dashboard. You can use that for tracking the progress of your project. So the models. Next one is models. The models allows teams to upload, view, and navigate and comment on 3D models directly in Aconex. No specialized BIM software is required, just to preview the Revit or IFC file. With the within the Aconex app itself, you will be able to preview the file. You can mark up it, you can create the clashes and all inside the Aconex itself. This is how Aconex models looks like. This is the Revit file we have opened. And one more advantage is that Aconex models is available in mobile application as well. So you can access the drawings in 3D even if you are on a site. Next is supplier documents. So supplier documents is used when you need to request large number of documents from the consultant, from the contractor, or from the inside team as well. So as you can see here, for this total 13 documents are required. Suppose for example, thousands of documents are there. You can here you can see easily, you will be able to track the progress, how many documents are submitted, how many documents are accepted, how many documents are rejected. Every project will be entire project you will be able to track that things. Next is package modules. So package allows you to create set of documents that can be used on your project. With the packages, you can group items from your document register in a meaningful way. That means you can create a group of packages for particular discipline, for particular site. So easily you can create, track that, access that documents. As also, if you have to review that entire package in one go, it's possible in Iconix. So next is Aconex Field. It's also an widely used feature of Aconex applications. It helps you to track on-site inspections, on-site inspection, issue management. It comes with the mobile application as well. So even if you are on a site, you will be able to capture the issue with by using Aconex mobile applications. And advantage of that mobile application is that it's even work in a offline mode as well. Once you come back to the office, that issue will automatically get logged in a application. So with the Aconex field, you will be able to capture the issue, on-site issue. Then if you have to if you have any inspection found, you can put it in Aconex application as well. And just simply, also one more feature is there. If you have daily reports, that also possible in Aconex fields. You can capture enter the daily reports, daily progress in Aconex field module itself. So this is how Aconex mobile application looks like. The modules, if you have any inspection form and to whom we have assigned, that you can track here. Also all the project emails you can access in Aconex mobile application itself. I will show you this in the mobile application as well in during the live demonstration. Once you log into the Aconex using your instance, if you are in a Middle East, if your project in the Middle East, it will be MEA. If you are in India, then the geographic specific location will be there. It depends. Once you log into the Aconex, you will be able to on home page, you will be able to see all the project access that you have. So you can work on that project uh, directly. So once this is the task page of Aconex, where it provides efficient way to track your assigned task and see task deadlines and monitor the task project. As you can see here, whatever the task assigned to me, it's showing it to me here. and if anything is overdue, it will be get highlighted here. So this is all about Aconex homepage, My Task tab, where you will be able to track the activities that assigned to you. Next is Aconex document modules. It's one of the major, you can say, heart of the systems, where all the project documents, all the drawings will be get stored. So in Aconex, you can upload number of files as many as you want. There is a no file size limit for the one project. You can upload lakhs of documents in a project, no issue. And it's by using these attributes, you will be easily you will be able to find out that document. For example, if I'm just one drawing type of documents and my discipline is a civil, I can just fill these things and click on search. So I will be able to find whatever the documents related to these types and these disciplines. I can easily track that documents. And also if I have a document number, by document number also I can able to track search for that document, and by also some other attributes also available. By using that as well, I will be able to search for that documents. And suppose I want to see historical version of that document. For example, for this document current version is 11. If I wanted to access the historical version of that document, it's possible in Aconex. I just have to see, you can see here all the historical version from version 1 to version 11. It's stored in Aconex. And if I wanted to see event log of that document, who has shared, who has viewed the documents, who downloaded that documents, everything will be get stored inside the Aconex application. So it's, you will be able to. Also in Aconex application itself, you will be able to, without downloading the that file, you will be able to preview that document. Let's see, no need to download the file and preview outside the Aconex. Inside the Aconex itself, you will be able to access that things. Also this is like you can say Google search in simple word, a normal word you can see. Uh, Even if you have any file content, you can search for that file content as well, and you will get that application, get that file easily. So next is how to upload the documents in Aconex. To upload the documents in Aconex, you have to click on Add Update Documents. Select that document. And one more advantage of Aconex is that you can upload any file size. There is no file size limit for uploading the documents and all. You can upload any file size. As per your requirement, these attributes we can configure. If you have to wants to mark this document as a confidential and it can be accessible by that person, it's possible in Aconex. Just have to select that and give the access to required persons. I'm just filling mandatory attributes. Once you fill all the metadata, you just have to click on the register. The document will get stored inside the Aconex. This is how you will be able to upload the documents in Aconex. And suppose if you have a multiple documents, suppose hundreds of thousands of documents that you wanted to upload in one go, it's possible in Aconex. By using Aconex bulk processing features, you will be able to upload a number of multiple documents in a one go. So I'm not go then next is at the right hand side, you will be able to see some searches, shortcut searches are available. By using this, you can easily find your document. The next is Aconex mail module, where Aconex mail module is used for everyday communication and processes on your Aconex projects. It helps you to create and manage processes, configure automations, control access and visibility. The major difference in normal email and this Aconex email is that it's project specific. So you will be able to access all the project emails here unless it is confidential. And if you wanted to search for a particular your email, then you will be able to filter it out. The next I'm going to show you how to create an Aconex email. Just click on bank email, select the mail type, fill whom you wanted to send, for example. Okay. I'm just filling a random message and all. Please review this document. And if you wanted to add any signature, just it's possible in Aconex. Now, if you want to attach, okay. Now, if you want to attach any file with this particular email, it's possible if it whether it is local file or if you wanted to attach the document register file that you already uploaded in Aconex, it's also possible. Once you have fill all the things, you just have to click on send. So that message will be get delivered to the next person, and it will be that person will be get notification for same. And also it can be accessible by all the project persons available under his organizations. If it's not marked as a confidential, if it is marked as a confidential, then only she or she will be able to access that email. So next module we are going to cover is Aconex workflow. So Aconex workflow is used for reviewing the documents, reviewing the for approvals and all. Aconex workflow is used for to create an Aconex workflow. First you have to create the template. The template means in which manner you have to design that workflow. Needs to follow that. If you want parallel workflow, it's possible. If you want series workflow, anything is a anything as per your requirement you can customize. And once you have done with that, you just have to click on activate, and that workflow template will get generated. Based on your requirement, you can design your workflow templates. For example, I have designed this one, this 3 stage of workflow. You can design n stage as per your requirement. If you want parallel, it's also possible. If you want series, everything is possible. Once that workflow template is designed and now you want to initiate the workflow, by using that template, you just have to select that documents and click on start a workflow and select the template that you have designed. A template creation is an one-time activity while implementing the Aconex projects. We will help you to design the template as per your project standard, as per your requirement. You just have to use that template, and you can use same templates for multiple workflows. Once you have done with this, you just have to assign that step to that person's. For example, step 1 I have assigned to myself. And once I have reviewed that workflow, it will go to the next person, that is consultant review. If this person review these documents, it will move to the next person. Once the workflow is created, that workflow transmittal email will automatically get generated, and that person will get notification to review that. As you can see in that step 1 I have assigned for this particular document. I have to review that step 1 is assigned to myself. I have to review that document. Yeah, if you have any comment, if you have some annotations available in Aconex, you can just use that annotation. Or if you have any text comment on the document, you just have to give it. If you have to add your signature, you just have to drag and drop, and some standard stamps also available in Aconex. You can use that as well. And at the right hand side, some standards as per your requirement, you can use these stamps. Multiple stamps are available in Aconex itself, and some annotations, multiple annotations also available. You can use that for doing the markups inside the Aconex itself. No need of any other software just to mark up the documents and all. You can use this as well. At right, you will be able to see whatever the markups you had did, and also if the workflow goes to the next steps, he will also able to see all the markups that earlier person has given and all. So next, I have to select the review outcome if it is approved or something, and if I have to add any comment, I can add that and click on submit review. So now workflow automatically moves to the step 2. Then he will be able to he has to review that document. If he has reviewed, it will automatically move to the next, and next step, after next step, that workflow will be get finished. This is all about Aconex workflow modules, where you will be able to create customized workflows as per your requirement, and it is easy to track the progress. If you see here all the workflows, here you will be able to track what is the due date, what is the original due date, when it is complete, the date completed, step status for each step outcome. If it is pending, it will get highlighted like this overdue. So it is easy for document controller to track the progress of the project and workflow. So next is Next, we will move to the uh, next. I will show you Aconex mobile application. This is how Aconex mobile application looks like. Where you will be at the top, you will be able to see your project name. Here, all the Aconex modules you can see at a support. If you are working, and one more advantage of Aconex application is that you can use it offline even if you are on a site. If you have to capture any issue on site, you just have to click on issue, click on that plus icon, select the issue type, for example, incomplete work or electrical issue, description you can give, and if I have to attach any photograph, this, this is how you can add the photographs on site, attach it, then location details on which side that issue or you capture that issue, you have to mention that as well. Then assign to which person you have to assign that issue. For example, I have to assign this issue to the Kunal Paneri. Then just select his name and click on OK, and due date for this issue, it's plus 1 day, for example. So he will get a notification with this. This is how you will be able to capture the issue. As you can see, this issue, first issue we have created right now. So that next person have to review that, fix that issue, and he will capture the work completion photo and send it on this issue application, this model. So next is inspection. If you have any on-site inspection, some standard forms, some forms we can configure as per your requirement, and you can just fill that forms inside the application itself. That the things you are doing on pen and paper, it's totally digitally, so it works offline at mode as well. You just have to fill the form digitally in Aconex application itself. And next is if daily reports, if any site reports are there, you have to fill. You can fill that site reports in Aconex report sections. Now next is more documents, where you will be able to access all the documents, project documents. Next is Aconex models, where you will be able to access the drawings, designs on a site as well. For example, am previewing this drawing in Aconex mobile application. So the main advantage of this, if you have downloaded this design or drawing, when you have a network, you just have to go to the on-site and you can preview it in Aconex mobile application itself. No need to depend on a paper and pen. So next is Aconex Mail. You will be able to access all the mail communication. Even if you are on a site, you will be able to send email and all. And in punch list, you will be able to create a set of your task as per your requirement and all. At the drawings, you will be able to see the whatever the drawings in and in your project, you will be able to access that as well. So this is all about Aconex mobile application. In task tab, you will be able to see the task that assigned to you. Just a minute, disconnect. Okay. This is all about Aconex mobile applications. If you have and then next is Aconex Insight modules, where you will be able to access all the reports, standard reports, custom as per your requirement. You will be able to design custom reports as well. Some standard dashboards also available if you want to design any standard dashboard. That's everything is available in Iconix itself. You can generate the project progress report, some standard reports. These are some standard reports by default available in Iconix. The next is next module is in directory. You will be able to search for the user across the global. That available in Iconix. And Iconix in Iconix supplier documents, as we discuss in a PPT. If you have to request multiple documents, hundreds of documents in a one from particular vendor or contractor, you just have to create the package and send that package to the contractor. Then contractor will submit the documents with that package, so it is easy to track you easy to track you the progress of that package. So if you have requested 100 documents from that contractor, it's easily you will be able to track the progress, how many documents he has transmitted, how many documents you have accepted and all. So we will see the Aconex reports now again. So if you have to see the project overview, what is the project progress, some standard reports are available in Aconex. Depends on a project data. It will take time for this. You can say in last 1 month I have sent 8 emails, 12 emails I have received. If any RFI sent, RFI received, you will be able to track that things. It's useful for the management and all to track the progress of the project. Also some other reports are also available. As per your requirement, you can use that reports. And also if you want to build some custom reports, you will be able to do that. So this is the custom reports we have designed as per the client requirement, you can say. So here you will be see entire project progress, how many documents are available on this project, how many documents are submitted, how many workflows are uh, configured. These things can be changed or customized as per your requirement. So we can build the custom reports as per your requirement or project standard. So it is easy for you to track the project progress and project activities. So next one is Aconex dashboard. In dashboard, you will be able to see the project progress, all the mail communication happens, whatever the overdue things that management can easily able to track that things by using Aconex dashboard. Also in Aconex dashboard, you will be able to customize the dashboards and all. So this is all about the Aconex. If you have any questions, put it in a chat box, we will answer it. Thank you.